What's up guys, Mitch from Shock Therapy, and today on this instruction video we're going to be showing you how to install the rear sway bar links for the Can-Am X3. A couple things that this link kit is going to do for you. Number one, add strength and durability to the rear of the car. Number two, it's also going to get rid of the factory link that is prone to breaking and deteriorating around the factory bushing. Number three, these links are adjustable, so you can actually adjust them on the car if you need to. It also helps in the aid that if the rod ends do ever wear out, you can actually unthread them and replace them with new ones. This install should take you no longer than an hour, so let's jump on in. I'll show you guys how to do it.
First step in your link installation is to remove the factory hardware. Save this hardware as most of it will be reused. Remove the link from the vehicle. Repeat this on the opposite side. Next, grab the links in our kit and set the extended length accurately. This length is 7 3/4 of an inch from center of hole to center of hole. This is very important to set. If it's too long, the system will bind. If it is too short, the system will overcam and lock up when you jump it in the air. Since this measurement does not change, you can lock the jam nuts ahead of time in the vise. Make sure that the rod ends are in line when you do this. All of the stainless spacers in this kit are the same width, so you can install them and install the links on the UTV. Use the factory hardware for the lower joint. Use the supplied hardware in the Shock Therapy kit for the upper joint. Reinstall the links on the vehicle. Repeat the measuring steps and installation on the opposite link. Tighten all the factory hardware to 90 foot-pounds. Once the hardware is tight, your installation is done.
We hope that this video helped you in the installation of your rear link kit. One thing to keep in mind, after the first 100 to 300 miles, make sure you check those jam nuts to make sure that they are still tight. If you haven't already, make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell to be notified anytime that we post a new video. As always, if you guys need any replacement parts or anything like that, you can give us a call at 623-217-4959. For replacement parts or rod ends, visit the website www.shocktherapist.com. Hola, my friends. Welcome to the video today. Hey, they look cool. Not only do they look cool, but they are stronger than Chase. Are you okay?
Ow! Yeah, I'm okay. Thanks, Josh.
That'd be all right.
Yeah. Nice.
Hey, you want me to stand like a stick?
So.